Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AX Gaming White GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card. So friend, the official introduction of NVIDIA's RTX 4090 AX Gaming unveiled has semi-custom design with a brand new cooling, and friend, this model is the first card based on Ada Lovelace's architecture as mentioned on the backplate Ada A1, and friend, this brand emerged 4 years ago with the introduction of RTX 20 series, and brand's popularity has really kicked off with RTX 30 series, and friend, as many as 15 designs were unveiled, and friend, the majority of them have a white cooler design, and so the RTX 4090 X3W is no exception, and friend, this model is not a refreshed RTX 3090 Ti X3W design which had white or tactical camo shroud, and friend, the 4090 has almost entirely white cooler with some brushed aluminum and blue accents, and friend, this cooler solution called Punk Max feature 90mm fan design and 96mm heat pipes, and friend, the AX Gaming GPU will not be the only white RTX 4090 GPU already teased the iGame Ultra, while GALAX is preparing Boomstar series, and ASUS is also set to introduce ROG STRIX White, while GALAX is also confirmed to be working on the flagship of series. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.